Is this shit even on? Kind of like this fucking... Kind of like this... My profile picture. Yo, my profile picture. My profile picture is so retarded. My profile picture. Yo, my profile picture. Oh man, that is funny as shit. Alright, let's set this shit up. No, that's not it. Where's the full screen button on my keyboard? Is it? No. Oh. Shit. Oops. Alright. Alright. This is my first time looking at the charts all day, but it's looking like we're going to be shorting. These are London's lows. Looks like we're going to be getting London's lows. Doesn't look like there's any highs for us to take. Midnight open is down here, basically. Asia's up here. Asia's already swept out by... Look at this, look at this. Tapping, we're about to tap into a 5-minute gap. I'm gonna grab one.
Order filled.
Oh shit, hold on, I forgot to put my copy trader on.
Order filled.
Damn, forgot to put my copy trader on. Overall time frame is trending down, 15 minutes trending lower. We're tapping into an untapped into 5-minute fair value gap. I mean, if you ask me, this is an A+ setup. We inverted this 5-minute gap here. There's another 5-minute gap down here that we're gonna have to watch out for because it's the last standing gap and it's right under liquidity. So we might get a reaction here in those levels, but we're definitely gonna get a reaction down here. There's so much and there's another gap down here that we have to pay attention to eventually. I don't want it to crowd up my screen, so I mean this could easily consolidate, open, and then crush my nuts. So but I don't know if I want to like put my stop all the way up here for that wick. If I put my copy trader on, it's gonna get me out of these positions. And that's actually a good, like, I'm actually in a good position, but I just have no leverage, so. My average is 39 on this one, And 37 on this one. Slightly worse. I mean, maybe I'll be saving myself. It looks like that already has like got so close to liquidity though that it looks like that could be the sweep. I need to change I need to change my profile picture and stuff from years ago. Badly. My copy trader was on, I would have bought 2 more. Would have been in full position there. But I just know I don't want to be slipping back and forth, bro. I really don't want to. Because the moves I could be making on both accounts at the same time, it's so much easier to have a copy trader. Maybe I'll go leverage in on one. But not before open. Low key, not before open. $40 ain't nothing. But if it starts going in my direction, it's gonna be a little annoying. Let's check out Impact News. Today is Wednesday. Only high impact news is FOMC meeting minutes. Damn. Crazy that I said I would have grabbed 2 more contracts here. It would have been up to $300. Insane position. If we go back to break even, these are London session lows too. Could get a reaction off of them. Very well could get a reaction off of them. That's lit. I'm live on YouTube right now for the first time in a while. So I just need to maintain this fucking consistency shit and I'll be straight. I'll get like hella views and shit. But right now, I don't expect anyone to be in this bitch. Market's looking juicy. What'd you make off your? What'd you make your money off of? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, like if you trailed it out. Yeah. And if it's on your Top Step account, I don't think they have consistency rules. I think you just need to make $500 or $200 or more. Yeah, that's nasty. Yeah, that's super nasty. The market looks like it's gonna. Yeah. Oh yeah, that guy. Market is looking like it's gonna dump my nuts off. It's like got Drake's pushing to the downside right now. Look at this shit. Should have bought 3 more contracts up at the top. Like I said, I literally said it on the live stream. I said that I should do that. I usually do.
Order filled. Order filled. I fucked myself. Well, I might have not fucked myself. We just need to keep that same energy that we just had. Shorts. Oh yeah, overall trend is pushing lower, but this is the type of volume that where we snap back out of nowhere. But we also got London lows right below us, like that wick. That lowest wick that we had, that you're looking at, or you could be looking at, fucking got like 5 points away from tapping into London's lows. I'm protecting my capital. I don't like the trade I'm in. Order filled.
Damn, I folded such a good position.
That's fine though.
Yeah.
Nair don't be outside at all, and then my break starts, and then he's watching me the whole fucking time. Like, he thinks I'm always up to fucking no good. I'm like, he comes in, these bitches talking about, did you just smoke? Smell smoke. I was like, did I smell like smoke? I've been here since 5:30. What do you think?
What type of answer is he looking for?
Right? And then he was like, is that your energy there? He goes, yeah, she's gonna get it. I go, okay, I'm gonna get it. What's the point? What is
Facts.
your price?
What's the point, indeed? I need to set up my copy trader while I'm out of this fucking. Alright, now I have 2 accounts on this bitch. What the fuck is Price doing right now? See, that's what I'm saying. Like, when we get that close to high resistant liquidity, it can be considered a fucking. It can be considered as a sweep. Now we're gonna be pushing, like, manipulating higher as fuck.
Yeah, I'm happy I'm out of that shit right now.
Yeah, I'm happy I put it at break even, or else I would have just been tapped out for $300.
Oh my god.
That would have been a soul fucking crusher.
This ugly ass bitch is here. This ugly ass fucking bitch is here. Built like a fucking scarecrow.
Order filled.
Alright. I'm done.
We just tapped into a untapped into 15-minute fair value gap. So we might just swing lower now. Damn. We're overbought, boy. What the fuck is happening to this world? Doesn't matter, it's untapped into. We're manipulating like a bitch. What the fuck?
Order filled.
The fuck is this market? What even is what even is above us? All right. What are you doing?
Right now I'm running shotgun.
The market is open. Order filled.
So much liquidity. I don't know if I want to hold through those highs. Are you trading right now? Oh yeah, I remember. That's why I like waking up at 5, because you can trade a little bit of London session if it looks juicy. I have a chance to break even on the day right now. 1 minute super overbought, 5 minutes super overbought. I want this to just take that liquidity, but the fact that we didn't go down to those London lows and grab them all, it makes my nuts like deflate a little. I'm thinking about just taking here, just so I can start fresh. Yeah, because 30-minute chart does not look very good. I don't know. And it's not even 9:40 yet. I know what it is. I need a Lucy. I know what it is. I need a Lucy. We might just sweep through this liquidity and this low resistance liquidity highs and just start fucking macking on hoes. might just take what's mine here. I don't know. We're pulling our. I'm just yapping because I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I should, like, everything in my body says to fucking take this and just start a new position. Unlimited opportunity, but it's low-key just bleeding upwards. Oh my god, my nuts. My nuts can't handle this pain. Nah, low-key, it's looking juicy. Yeah! Fuck yeah. Come on, no! What is over here to the left? Hold on, nothing. Holy shit, I got a doo-doo butt right now. I got a doo-doo butt out the ass right now. Yeah. Trade's looking pretty spiced, but I don't know how much they can hold of this shit. Like these highs, dang. These highs are looking juicy. I got my folded laundry behind me. Like, looks like a mess on my bed, but it's actually just folded laundry. Well, alright, fart ass. Let me let you go so I can trade in. I got a hoagie too. I got a banana and a hoagie earlier. Alright. We're gonna hit the gym after I get out of the thing? Alright, ass fucker. Bye, steak ass. Alright, lit. No more distractions. Check my Robin Hood. The video's up 2%. Bailing me out of calls that I was down fucking 30% on yesterday. Whoa, whoa, whoa now. Come on. Let me see a buy up candle here. Alright. Chatty, got 2 watching? Okay, 2 watching? First stream ever, and we got 2 watching. If the next like 2 1-minute candles here close above this equal high, I'll have no worries in my brain. Oh yeah, I mean look at that. Wow! My conviction? I was gonna say shorts. I was in shorts here, down to here. Looked a little bit like this. But didn't tap my TP by like a fucking micro, so took a loss on that. Flipped the script. Waited for the 3-minute to break higher. Waited for the 3-minute candles to break higher here. In which they did. Broke higher. You can see that with here. That's a break of structure. And once that 3-minute break of structure happened, and then this wick made me nervous to get in, I got in, and now we're extended clipping to the top. My target, these draws. Once we made it through here, it kind of gave me conviction that we were gonna keep it pushing, but got 2 minutes until the macro opens, so I'm expecting the macro to just push us through to TP. But it could easily reverse us because we're super overbought in a 5. tempted to take profit right now just because the way we're consolidating in the 1 minute. I just want to see like a breakout of some kind. Ideally, I'd want that. Just like, you know. Super overbought conditions right now. We almost have to manipulate to my TP in this 1 minute candle expiring. Looks like that could be the answer. One minute candle's about to go out. 20 seconds. See if this blasts off. Looks like it's going to. This would set us up to be breaking hourly highs if we stay up here. Probably to take these highs too. These like all the way up here and here. But I don't know if we'll do all that. I'm really tempted just to take it now at 250. We're at these lows, these 1 minute lows, just to protect myself. There's no reason. I have 2 qualified accounts, bro. I have no rush to friggin' make capital. It's all about protecting my money. It's not about making it at all. You make money by protecting it. That's literally just how you are profitable. It doesn't feel until you feel it. Literally until you physically feel what I just said to you, and it makes more sense in your emotions to do that, to protect your capital more than it is to make your capital. So like, instead of me just leaving this at break even, or me like, you know, doing literally anything else other than locking in like a little bit of profit and getting back what I lost, then you know you're not gonna be profitable. There's gonna be times where the market makes it easier to protect your capital than it is to make money and to make your profits, and you'll be rewarded by protecting your capital 100% of the time, because there's nothing to regret. I mean, there really is. It could have easily tapped me out there. I could have easily exited and seen this, and then, you know, been like, damn, I should have stayed in, which is exactly what would happen. But I don't know. These low resistant liquidities up here, or these session liquidity up here, is more of something that I want to target. I mean, I've had this marked out from previous days trading, the previous week trading. And if we just keep bleeding up and we have no downside like this, there's no reason for me not to just hold. Into the session liquidity. I mean, if we show bearish signs, there's no bearish signs right now. It's only a 50-point move. That's low-key a lot. And we got really close and turned around a little. But like I said, we're just dragging our average up here. I could make double my money right now, and it was my original take profit. A 1 minute gap is about to be created. You just got to see how this reacts up here. This is where it's in a very key stage, because this was my original take profit. So all the way up here. But like I said, 10 o'clock candles might hit and we might just fly all the way up there, and that's a much better take profit in my opinion. If we just get zero reaction here, we might just fly. Jesus. Should I just keep moving it and trail it? We just swept out a bunch of low resistant liquidity. No, I won't be greedy. I'm going to take my 740 here. And, shit. That shit is moving. because Nvidia's earnings is today. Nvidia's earnings is today. So this might just bleed all the way up. Creating a lot of 3-minute gaps. Or we're about to. Like, look at this fat ass one. If we stay up, probably be more like this, low key. This is looking juicy though for me. Like no matter what. I mean, 3 times what I'm currently locking in. I need to remind myself of that. That's probably one of my biggest faults right now, is that I'll set my take profit down here or my stop loss down here thinking, okay, you know, I'm locking in money, I'm locking in a couple dollars in profit, I have a chance to redeem myself. But I mean, shit, I have 3 times the more money sitting up here than I do down here. So I need to make sure that I'm not just biased by seeing big numbers on my on orders that have yet to be filled. You know what I mean? So that's just some emotional compromission, or compromised fucking emotional state, you know? Shit. But the way this is looking, it's looking juicy. So it's looking like it's getting bought up the moment even goes down. But this is just one of those trades you have to be patient. You see how RSI is so overbought? Bro, that was like one of my first ever confluences. Oh my, I need to get a new chair too. My back hurts on this chair, bro. Just casually just flying. Low key, after sweeping out a London high, kind of want to take the position. It'd be my first W on this, I'm running 2 qualifieds. My 1 qualified, I think it's this one. No, this is my first qualified. This is my second qualified, just passed yesterday, so this is the first trade I'm having on it. And then my second one, this is the one I got a payout on. I got some good data on this. Got some pretty good damn data. P&L's currently at 6,000. It's insane. That's why I want this $1,100 take profit, because it would set me up for the week to it would set me up for the rest of the week to not have any worries really about profit. I just received a $1,500 payout, so I think I might just take it here, low key. I don't know. What I do know is that I don't want this going any lower than fucking 580 in reality, because that would lock me in $300 on a day. But it doesn't seem like there's gonna be a strong reaction here. I don't know. Keep it at this low for now. 276 is locking in $100 for me. But it doesn't look like there's any reaction. Just gives me conviction here to hold. A little bit of volume. Let's just see what this does to us. Got a 3-minute gap. Price. Might as well stick this right under here. Reality is I don't, if this is going through here, through that 3-minute gap, this 3-minute gap like that low, I want to be out of here anyway. Plus the 10 a.m. candle's about to hit, so we might just sweep out London. And I'm glad that I don't, like, one of my main things is that I don't really clear up my charts after I mark out highs and lows unless they're through, like, obviously unless they're taken. And this is exactly why. Because Like even down here, I haven't even taken this one out. I haven't cleared this up. You can see like all my markups, all on the charts. And it's just because you're not gonna wanna go back 3 weeks in time to see what the market could be targeting, you know what I mean? So I just leave it. If it's not in my way, I just leave it. Leave everything on the charts. Because you could, it's like little reminders of why you did what you did on the charts. 30-minute gap, and we're in a 30-minute gap right now, and it's not even affected. Super bullish day right now, and it's probably all because of NVIDIA. I have NVIDIA calls that I bought on Monday, but anticipating that we would just like kind of get bought up the rest of the week. The market's looking great though right now today. Today's looking like a great day. Another $1,000 win on my qualified would be beautiful. I think right here I just have to be very, 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 very patient, and I can get my take profit. The reason I want this take profit is one, because it's realistic in this fashion now. I mean, look what we caught in the 15 minute, in the 30 minute. Look what we caught. You know what I mean? That's just beautiful. I mean, you don't see that every day on streams. You don't see that every day at all in trading at all. Take profits haven't been hit, orders haven't been filled yet, but you know, it really is about adaptation. It's crazy. The more I like learn about the markets, the more I experience screen time on the charts, the more I realize like it's all about screen time. Like there'd be times where I would have saw all this liquidity and been like goddamn certain that once we fly through this that we would reverse, and there's a version of me somewhere in the dimensions of the world where I would have took this whole long, right? Took this whole fucking long and sold at the top no matter what the market's showing me, no matter how much we're manipulating higher, and then shorted the market all the way just because every time frame is overbought right now. Like look at this, 3 minutes overbought by 10, 5 minutes overbought by 30 points on RSI, 15 minutes overbought by 20 points, 30 minute overbought by 10 points. And now we're starting to, that's when time frames like this start to align like this, like the hourly 30 minute and stuff like that, that's when the market starts to reverse in the way that it needs. So I low-key $900, I don't know. Should I lock it? Low-key would want to see a manipulation leg up higher to guarantee me something. To guarantee me that there's still bullish price action in the market. 10 o'clock candle just hit, so this is where it's going to be if it's going to be it. If there's going to be an extension higher, this is where it's going to be at. Kind of seems like it's going to be that way. Kind of seems like that. It really wants that draw. I feel like if it got London, how far is this from there? 50 points, right? That's what we said? That's another 100-point move. Nah. The thing is though, if it goes into if this 3 minute box is here, it's not gonna respect this one. It's gonna respect this smaller one that I have my stop in. It's just I'm being greedy at this point. My original take profit was here at 700. Not being greedy, the market is showing me that it's pushing higher. So I'm just adapting to the market, really. 7 RR. Jesus Christ. I mean, I don't know if this has the juice anymore. It's looking like it could reverse. I mean, shit, if we close though, I don't know. People in the chat, my Discord and stuff like that, I'm gonna be going live on here more instead of Discord. I'm realizing it's stupid to I don't have a community on Discord, so it's stupid to, there's like 10 people in there just for my Instagram.
So I realized it's kind of stupid to be doing that stuff on there unless I have an audience. So I'm going to be going live on here and on TikTok, and I'm going to be posting on TikTok to kind of evolve my audience, because right now the only places I really post content is Reels and Instagram and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna be evolving here. I want to put my stop right here. At this, below this, like that 1 minute extended candle, because I feel like if it flips after such a strong buy, we're not gonna take Asia. This 879 will also lock me in $700 on both the accounts, making that a $1,400 day for me. I'm holding it, so it's not set yet, but I think that's what I want to do. Market is looking tired, but when it sits up here and it looks tired like this, low key, or not low key, I should stop saying this, such a stupid term. When the market does that, it's pulling the average of RSI higher, and I don't know if anyone uses RSI as much as I do, but it's been one of my original number one confluences to understand which side I should be on, shorting or buying. And when RSI is overbought or oversold by 10 points, I tend to do the opposite of that, the opposite of what it's doing. If it's overbought, then I look to short. If it's oversold, I look to buy. And that just kind of sets me in the right direction. Now I just pair that up with an untapped fair value gap, break a structure to the left side, higher time frame linking to the lower time frames, or even better, higher time frame stays down and it doesn't match the lower time frames. That's where there's opportunity in the market, because a lot of the time the higher time frame will show you the truth, lower time frame will show you a retracement. That's just what I found. That's all myself. I've never paid for a mentor, nothing. But a lot of the time when you have these extended candles here, wick, 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 extended candle, wick, 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 consolidation, extension. When you have things like that, market is just dragging the average of RSI higher so that it can move higher without it being overbought. This is a beautiful trade. I mean, absolutely beautiful. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this. Like, 30-minute candle, I caught the near bottom. Look at that. Just beautiful, man. Beautiful trading on my part. You know, no matter how this trade ends today, I'm blessed to be able to do this. Blessed to be able to have the vision that I'm able to see right now. Blessed that I'm able to sit here, work in an hour for fucking 17 an hour, while I'm making thousands on 2 accounts. I know the take profit hasn't hit, but if this take profit hits, I would be making $2,200, at which only 10% goes to the company that I'm making it through. 90 goes to me. It's unbelievable, this prop firm shit. Once you are profitable, this shit is absolutely unbelievable. I mean, I was eligible for a payout at 9 o'clock at night, and looks like we're about to get tapped out here. It's actually not below the low. I was eligible for a payout at 8 o'clock at night, 9 o'clock at night,
during Asia session because I needed to make $516 to make the consistency. Because on these zero accounts, I like these zero accounts because you can pass them and in a single day. Like yesterday, I passed this 50K account in 10 minutes. Just 15 contracts. I posted them on my Instagram, Mind Over Market, if you want to check that out. And what am I doing? Trading real funds with it now. And 5 days after this, after my best trade, and the 40% consistency rule being made, I can request a payout. On this first account, because my best trade on my weathered account, I guess, the account that I've had for a while now, for about a month or two, my best trade is about $1,200. So this will be right under that. So I will only probably need to make like another 500, and it's Wednesday. Like I'm just gonna make, you know, one trade, two trade, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then probably be able to have a payout by Tuesday, Wednesday next week. If all goes well, you know. Woo! Woo!
Order filled.
There we go, baby. Wasn't my full take profit, but honestly, I honestly rather that. I rather that, to be honest, because look at that trade, my man. Holy shit. And really my stop is down here. But holy shit. What a trade. What a trade. Wow. I mean, this is still probably gonna go up, but I mean, I'm happy, bro. I'm happy. Couldn't be happier. $7,000 balance. I actually don't think this is real. I think this is like $1,500 less than what that actually says. I think it's glitched because I had a $6,000 balance when I made a payout, and I did not make any money on it since, other than just now. I don't think it's at I don't think it's a $700 balance, but still, or $7,000 balance. I mean, this shit's just absolutely insane. I mean, and you can see where I crash out, right? 2 trades, 4 trades, 25 trades, 15, 8, 6, 1. This was because I broke even and was like, all right, nah, just today, nah. What do I do the next day? Because I'm chasing. Bam. Bam. Friday, thank God this trade happened, bro. Put me off. Like, this is what I mean. Like, if you stay calm, if you're able to compose yourself, 1,005, you probably feel like garbage by Friday, right? And it's Friday, but I just went into the market knowing that I can make this money back. I can make a $1,500 trade in a single trade. But that's not what you can recognize that, and then go into the market and say, I don't need that. I don't need that. Because you'd be way happier with $250 trade than a fucking $0 trade. And what that put me on the week? Negative 200. That's fine. Because what am I up right now? 2,500. Oh, you know what's crazy? These 2 trades and this trade is nearly, with these 3 days, the past 3 days has nearly covered my payout already on my P&L. Literally, it did cover it because I only can request $1,500 payouts. This Monday's trade alone covered me pretty much. Insanity, you know. And I'm just not gonna look at the charts for this today. I'm about to just eat my fucking hoagie that I got from Wawa this morning. Crack this open. Listen to a bit of music. Fold my laundry. Finish folding my laundry back there. This is it, bro. I mean, you know, the sad reality is yesterday or today I got paid for my day job, and it was less than my payout. Granted, because I called off and left early twice last week, the past 2 weeks, because there's shit going down and like shit happening and whatnot, and just like, you know, whatever, shit happens, right? So, bro, and I make more money than my day job. Like, it's insane. Typical retracement going, pushing higher. Not even mad about it. Made $750. Like, that's literally, bro, I received a check from my day job of like $850, bro. Do you know how sorry that is? I just made that on 2 accounts. Bro, this is why I love trading. This is why I'm so passionate about trading. I just made $741. If you added $100 more to that, that would have been my check for 2 weeks of work. Mind you, I hate that fucking place. And I made it on 2 accounts. You know what that means? You know what that means? That's what this is what turns into. $5,000 months. Times that by 2, and that's only 2. Imagine I had 5. And that's why trading is so powerful. But Alpha Futures is about to go, is about to be taken off this program, Project X, and Top Step is going to be like the monopolized fucking Project X. So, I'm going to probably buy 2 accounts with Top Step. Once I get a second payout, a second roll of payouts from these accounts. So like my next payout, I'll probably use that money to get 2 Top Step accounts, then I'll have 4. Because I don't know what Alpha is gonna do. Alpha's probably gonna go to Trade of 8, and you can go on like top what is it called? Trading View, and do it. And there's full take profit right there. But yeah. Damn, what was my trade? It was like down here, right? Shit's crazy. Wow. Just, what is that? What is that? Crazy. Just looking at this shit just makes me want to fucking trade. But yeah. Alright. Hold on, let me bring this up so I can take a picture for the Gramsci. So insane, bro. This is so insane. And like, why does Project do this? I close the application, open the application, and suddenly these like small settings are changed. Like, why is my watermark on? Shit's never on. Let's take a picture for the gram. How do you post? Okay. Beautiful, bro. Alright, guys. So, this is going to be automatically posted to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be doing this as much as I possibly can. I need to start taking my laptop to work so I can go live on that thing. But yeah, you know, keep trading, keep doing this every day if you're doing it. I'll be here every day. Check out my Discord, or check out my Instagram. It's at mindovermarket. And yeah.